Hello everyone, Trader Sam here. I know it's been well over a year since we last worked on the pirate ship restaurant, but I'm back and I'm working on the masts, finally. I did do a lot of work between the last video or after the last video of the surrounding diorama base with the sign and the walkways. I think I'll show you that in the next video. Just kind of do a little tour of what I did. I know I posted some images of it, but I think you might appreciate some video of it as well. I finally found a decent screen capture software that doesn't tax my computer too much. The only annoying thing with the software, actually with any screen capture software that I've experienced, is that the mouse pointer flickers, which is kind of annoying as I work. But as I get into working with the model, I subconsciously forget all about the mouse flicker, so it's not too bad. I don't know how well the software is going to work when it comes to finally working with Illustrator and Photoshop, but we'll see how that goes. I've been thinking of trying to make it up to you somehow by broadcasting my desktop while I work on the model. I'm not sure. I've thought about using Periscope, but since you have to hold the device in a vertical orientation, it doesn't really capture a widescreen monitor very well. I guess you could suppose I could turn the phone sideways. You'll just have to turn your phones or tablets, depending on, just turn them sideways to watch the videos. I thought it might be neat, to have some sort of interaction where you guys could ask me questions as I work and I could answer them live. But I'm going to have to look into that. I think there's also a way you can do it using Google Hangouts. I'm not sure. I'm going to look into that too. So stay tuned for news on that if it develops. I don't know what I'm going to be able to find. Some interaction would be nice. I'm sure you guys have a lot of questions. You could ask them as I'm doing them. Of course, I don't know how long those sessions would last, since we spend several hours working on the model at a time. I mean, the video that you're about to watch, I believe I recorded an hour and 15 minutes of video, and before that, I was working on the masts earlier. They didn't record. I worked on them for a good 5 hours. So I don't know if a lot of you would want to sit around for 5 long hours. So let's see what else I'm working on. I think that's it. Just trying to get back to the model. I've got to redo the sails. I didn't model them correctly, so you'll see me working on the sails at the very end of this video. I gotta go back and do this. But other than that, just going to do the sails. The flags I'll design in Illustrator. Then I've got, I think, the figurehead, and I have to design the a separate stand. The diorama with the dock and the walkways will be one version of a stand. That's if you want a full large diorama that will hold up the ship. Otherwise there will be a separate just a simple stand. So yeah, plus the simple stand will be nice to have for when you're building the ship, because it'll be able to hold it up while as you build. You know, it'll give you some place to set it down, someplace safe. So look for more videos on the model soon, hopefully. I'll see you later. Bye.